In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn rewards by staking crypto and fiat with Kraken. And for more information on Kraken, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. If you want to maximise your returns and earn interest on some crypto that might just be sat idle in a wallet otherwise, staking your assets with Kraken could be a great way to earn some passive income. With Kraken, you can stake assets such as Polkadot, Ethereum, Tezos, Bitcoin, and even fiat currencies such as Euros or US dollars, with returns currently ranging from 1.5% for Euros, all the way up to 12% for Polkadot and KSM. Kraken is a San Francisco-based cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2011, and it's a platform where users can trade more than 30 digital assets and 7 different fiat currencies, and it's now trusted by more than 5 million traders, institutions and authorities around the world. Kraken introduced their staking service to the platform's set of features, where more than $1 billion worth of cryptocurrencies have now been staked through their service. By staking, users will lock up their cryptocurrencies, or fiat currencies, to receive rewards. And many cryptocurrency exchanges offer staking services, such as the likes of Binance, KuCoin and Crypto.com, so that their users stay on their platform and don't have to stake their coins directly from within their wallets. With Kraken, there's no minimum staking time required to earn rewards, and you'll start earning these straight away. There's also 0 fees for staking or unstaking. However, Kraken will retain an admin fee for Ethereum staking, and that's just due to the complexity. Plus, you can instantly unstake your rewards with no waiting or bonding time other than with Ethereum 2.0. And there's 2 different types of staking, which are on-chain and off-chain. On-chain staking allows you to stake your assets with blockchain proof-of-stake protocols, such as the likes of Tezos. Whereas off-chain staking allows you to stake your assets with Kraken internal programs. Plus, you'll find that with off-chain staking, it's only eligible in certain countries. Staking rewards with Kraken is incredibly easy and can be done with just a few steps. But I'll show you how to do that now so that you can start earning rewards with your crypto. And to get started, you'll need to have a Kraken account. I've got a link in the summary below that you can use. Then just head across to the staking tab at the top of the screen. And this can only be done via their web platform, as it's not possible to stake or unstake via their mobile app. And you'll need to ensure that your funds are already within your Kraken spot account. If you don't already have a balance, you'll need to deposit some funds into there. Now I have some DOT tokens on the exchange, so the first asset that I'll be staking is Polkadot, where I can currently get those 12% yearly rewards. And just be aware that some of these rates are subject to change and are an estimate based on historical rewards. Then to start staking, simply click onto stake. And your balance will pull through from your spot wallet balance. Then you'll want to choose the amount that you'd like to stake. And there's a minimum amount of 0.2 DOT required for Polkadot, however different cryptocurrencies will vary. And you can manually enter in the amount that you'd like to stake, or choose as a percentage of your balance. As it states here, your balance will move from your spot account to your staking account, and you won't be able to trade with these tokens while they're being staked. And your rewards will be paid twice a week, and with Polkadot that's on a Tuesday and a Friday, with rewards here of 12%. The type is on-chain, and you can choose to turn Grow Rewards on or off. When you turn them on, it means that the rewards that you earn from staking will be added to your staking. Then when you're happy, you can go ahead and stake and confirm. And it's appearing at the bottom here under Staking Transactions. And it's still processing at the moment, which takes a couple of minutes, so it's not yet under my staked assets yet. Next up, I've also got some ETH on the exchange that I'd like to stake. So if I click onto Stake in the top right hand side of the screen, then I'll choose Ethereum from the drop-down. And it then gives me an important notice. Firstly, that staked ETH and ETH staking rewards will be locked until Ethereum 2.0 network transaction is complete. And the transaction may take years or may not even occur, and that Kraken has no control over this process. When you stake, Kraken will credit your account with staked ETH and the applicable staking rewards consistent with their terms and rules of the Ethereum network. Newly staked ETH is subject to a bonding period before earning rewards, and the reward rate below is their estimate, and actual rewards are based on the Ethereum network rate and are subject to an administration fee, and you can learn more by heading over to their site. Then you'll need to enter in the amount that you'd like to stake before you agree and stake. And you'll see from my main staking screen now that my dot staking is now complete and it's showing up under my staked assets. Then it shows me my reward percentages, total rewards, balance, and the value in euros. Now I'm just going to pause the video for now and come back in a couple of days to show you any rewards. So now, under my staked assets, if you click onto the three dots here, we can add further assets to stake. You can go to your settings and check out the details and the amount of the rewards that you've earned so far. Plus we can also unstake from here. And as I said, unstaking is instant and there's no fees that apply here. Then we have our ETH staking, where our rewards are weekly, our rate is variable, and as per the earlier notice, our assets are locked here, so we don't have the option to unstake. But you can add more into here. Then underneath, you can see my 2-dot rewards appearing here under my staking transactions, as well as my ETH rewards as well. So that's how easy it is to stake and earn rewards with Kraken. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.